Hello, tutor and claimants. My name is Jason David Fonseca. It is my presentation. Prepared and reserved logistics system design. Wasted collection and disposal. Grupo Éxito donates all the recyclable material resulting from its operation. Wasted collection and disposal recycling. Fundación Éxito markers recyclable material company. Recursos are invested in nutrition projects that improve the nutrition of thousands of children. Reservoir logistics system. Plastic waste, fabric, and paper. Indicators of performance. Year of degradation, efficiency, exploitation, reuse. Plastic. Plastic, year of degradation, 115 years. Efficiency, 15%. Exploitation, 15%. Reuse, 8.6%. Fabric, 200 years. Efficiency, 3%. Exploitation, 3%. Reuse, 10%. Paper, 1 year. Year of degradation, 1 year. Efficiency, 17%. Exploitation, 55%. Reuse, 9%. Plastic consumption, recycling, classification, reuse. Consumption, contamination, final disposition. Fabric wasting. Fabric consumption, recycling, classification, reuse, condition, donation. Paper wastes. Paper consumption, recycling, classification, reuse, and reuse. Thank you.